Hello Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you, and it is the fighting knives of Tauriel from the Hobbit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. I'm going to show you the art box first, and this is the front of it. And here's the back of it. Very cool too. It shows you on the bottom other swords and stuff that you can get from United Cutlery. Pretty cool. I'll show you here, and it is UC3044. As you can see, here's the inside of the box. And here is the COA, Certificate of Authenticity. Pretty nice. It's on a different color paper rather than the usual yellow ones. And this is the plaque for it, which is really nice. Show you some close-ups here. You can see that thing in the middle there that gets screwed in from the back, and it holds the daggers going one going left and one going right to that in place when it's all hanging up and on the wall there. It's pretty cool. So here are the daggers, or fighting knives of Tauriel. These are super nice. And there's the licensing from the Hobbit. The handles and the hilt. I'll show you after the back end there. Beautiful blades. Absolutely love these. You can see how they set up in there. One going one way, one going the other. Show you some close-ups if I can here. Really nice. Here we go. I'll show you on this end. There. That one there. Absolutely beautiful. I think these are wood handles. No, they're not. Nice. Beautiful blades. yeah, so those are the fighting knives of Tauriel. They are absolutely magnificent and beautiful daggers. So you can see I have a fishing picture right here. I'm going to be taking this out, and I'm going to be putting Tauriel's knives on the left hand side, and then I'm going to be getting Legolas's knives and putting it to the right of them. They're going to be right above these mini Ibex. So just envision that to show that where I'm going to be putting them. It's going to be very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of these knives, and like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.